This is the installation part for the 2007 BMW 323i power steering pump. So that's the old one. Actually, this is the continuation of my other video. So this is the installation part. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so this is the new one. It's from Amazon. Oh, there's an O-ring. Alright. Don't know why it has an O-ring. Okay. Old one, new one. Look the same. I don't think we still need the O-ring, because we had a spacer down there. So let's remove all those, Okay, I think the first thing that we need to do, I guess, is install that thing. I hope you could see that. The one right there. This one. Let's put this one over here. Alright. Seems like I won't be able to show you because there's no space. I think we need to put the bracket first before we put on the, the hose. Oh, there's also it's leaking with, with oil. Alright, so we're going to put the bracket and also the hose. Let's put it on. Alright, so we just put bolts in here. See that? And also over there. So don't tighten it yet, and then that's the time. You can put this one over here, align it. Let's put it on. Alright, so I tighten everything except the one over here, down at the bottom. So again, we're using this stubby socket number 22. All right. Okay, good. Alright, now it's tight. Right. After tightening the thing, this bolt at the bottom, we're gonna put the pulley. Okay. So in tightening your pulley, use your Milwaukee cordless. Just make your work easier. Oh, don't over tighten it. Okay. All right. Alright, good. Don't over tighten it, it's plastic. So in putting the belt, again, we're using this special tools I think this is T60. Yeah. Then pull this clockwise. Right. Then put on the belt. Alright, so I already put most of the the parts, so except the one in here, because I still want to see if it clicks. So we're using this power steering fluid, OEM. It's for BMW. It's equivalent for where was that? Pentenson CHF. So this is power steering fluid for BMW. So let's put it on and let's start the car. Now let's start the car. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, we put the fluid. Let's start the car and let's see if the power steering works. Whoa, way better. Nice. Look at this. Wow. Let's go check. It needs more. Needs more fluid. Oh yeah, needs more. It's halfway. Put more. You can also see the fluid. It's moving. Look at that. Move the power steering. Alright. Look at this. Perfect. Wow. Alright. It's already fixed. Alright, so there you go. That's the installation part or video for 2007 BMW 323i. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today and see you in the next video. Bye bye.